In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 best Lanikai ukuleles. Are these amazing? Make sure you stick around because we're going to go through all of these right here. Hi, I'm Terry Carter. Welcome to ukelikethepros. It was a struggle to hold these. Matter of fact, I did this all by myself. Sometimes I get help from my wife, but she wasn't available. So I actually got all of these in my hands right now. And my hands hurt. But anyway, this one, we're going to go over all of these. These are the 5 best Lanikai ukuleles. I'm happy to have these. They are all available now at store.ukelikethepros.com, the #1 ukulele site. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for being here. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification, and then throughout the video, they're starting to slip. Leave a comment below, smash that like button, show us a little love as we go through these, the 5 best Lanikai ukuleles. What are the 5 best Lanikai ukuleles we're going to go through? Here they are right here. The MAS Soprano. The Flame Maple. This is the FM-CETT. Slimline. The Blue Quilted Maple. I know, that's the short way. The actual real name is the QM-BLCET. Yeah. The ZRT. This is the Ziricote. And the Julia Micheals Signature. Yeah, this thing's pretty cool looking, right? And I got one bonus one that you're going to have to stick around to the end that I'm going to throw in right here in this video. All right, so we're going to start off here with the MAS. I mean, that's what I like. Real simple name. This is their Mahogany Soprano. Now, what's great about this one is that it's under $100 for the Soprano, but it's just a real simple mahogany. These are all laminate. I like the binding, top and bottom of these things. And they also come in concert. They come in tenor. They come in Guitarlele. They have a wide range of these, and they're all really great prices for these. So this is just a really simple instrument if you want to kind of just get started. Maybe you're a beginner. Maybe it's one that you want to travel with, take to the beach, that kind of stuff. They sound good. Great priced, and what I like about them, I'm trying to find it now, all of them, every one that I have, all the Lanikais do come with a padded gig bag. And as I mentioned earlier, I'm real happy. All of these are now at my store, store.ukelikethepros.com. Matter of fact, I didn't even have this one, and I ordered it specially for this video to make sure I could show it to you. So, all right, let me do a little playing. Do you have a Lanikai ukulele? If you do, leave a comment below with which one you have. But if you don't have a Lanikai, what ukulele do you have? I'd love to know. All right, the next one here, this is their Flame Maple series. Okay, so I actually have a couple of them here. I have the Slimline. This is the one we're going to go over. But they come in tenor. They come in concert as well. A lot of them have pickups, so they have a lot of options in this Flame Maple. Let me put these down because I want to go over this Slimline one. All right, so I wanted to start with the Slimline just because I think this is the real unique one. The model number of this one is the FM-CETT. This is a tenor size, and I really like it, and it's just great for traveling. It's easy to hold, but it has a nice sound to it as well. So, and by the way, this one does have a pickup installed in it as well. Let me do a little playing, and then we'll go over some of the specs. All right, so nice sounding. Again, not a big body, so it has a nice sound for not a big body. These are great for traveling as well, or just people that just don't want that bigger body that a tenor would have. So you got the Flame Maple, and as I showed you earlier, there's a lot of different models here in this. This one does have the Cutaway, has a nice rosette, nice and slim profile. It does have the pickup here, and this is where you would turn in the back. Now, if you notice the back, it's got the nice bevel here. I don't know if that's not the right word, but that's nice as well. This is a tenor, so 17 inches scale length on it. And what I like about these Lanikais, and I forgot to mention it on the the Soprano one, but they have a nice inch and like, it's about 7/16. So it's a nice, it's not quite 1.5 inches, but it's a little bigger than 1 3/8. And even that little Soprano has that as well. So this is a great uke for traveling. These flame maples are around the $300 range. So they're a little bit more than that Mahogany series. These are laminate as well, but they do look really cool with the flame job on them. All right, so I decided to put this one next. This is the Quilted Maple. This one is blue. These come in 2 models, Concert and Tenor. This is a Tenor one. They also come in natural red and black as well. These are really cool. If you look at the Quilted Maple, these are all laminate as well, but really, really nice. Got the high gloss finish. You got the nice abalone rosette. You do have the cutaway. You have the binding on there as well. There's where you plug it in. What's nice about all these Lanikais as well, they come with the 2 strap buttons. So I like the strap buttons. I like the nice wide nut that they have, and they all come with some kind of bag, some kind of Lanikai padded gig bag. Now this one comes with a hard foam case, which is pretty cool as well. But anyway, really cool. It's got the Fishman pickup in it, which I really like. Really nice pickup there. And then just a really cool design here on this. Again, this one is a Tenor, but they do come in concert size as well. You can feel like this one is definitely a little bit heavier. It's got probably because of the gloss and just made a little bit well. It's a little bit higher in price than some of the other ones, but I think when you look at it and when you play it, you'll know why. All right, let me do a little playing here. All right, now a couple of other things with this one. You do have the slotted headstock here. You got the nice, again, the nut's the same as the other ones, just under 1.5 inches, and then you have the 17 scale inch length here. So anyway, overall, a great looking one. Again, these come in concert and tenor, and they do have the different colors. This one happens to be the Quilted Maple in blue. All right. If you want to get better at the ukulele, besides these videos here, check out ukelikethepros.com. We got fantastic courses. We got a premium membership. We got a bunch of free stuff as well. So just check it out. Come be part of the Uke Like the Pros Nation. I guarantee we're going to help you become a better ukulele player. All right, next is the ZRT. This is a Ziricote. I dig this one. I always like the Ziricote wood in general. This one's got the satin finish. These are all laminate as well. I like all the binding on them, the rosette. The back here. Now, this is a tenor size. These only come in 2 sizes, concert and tenor, and they come in just the straight acoustic version like this one. They also do come with the electric version as well. Yeah, very cool looking. That's a nice satin finish. Again, this is a tenor neck. Nice. I like the neck on this one. It's got a nice silky neck. Let me do some playing and let me know what you think. Now, these are in about the mid 200s, so not too bad for to get. Again, they all come with the strap buttons. They all have the nice, almost 1.5 inch nut width, a little under that. They come with the padded gig bags. So a lot of value that you get with these Lanikais. All right, so which one has been your favorite so far? Leave that comment below. But maybe this one is, and don't forget I have one more bonus one for you. This one is the Julia Micheals signature model. I don't know, it's just cool. I mean, just when you hold it and you have it, it's just a cool looking uke, a great sounding uke. They come in 2 models. They're both tenors, either one acoustic or one with a pickup on them. What I like about them is they're maple. They have a pretty thick gloss on them, and they have sparkles inside the white. So it's white, painted white with sparkles in them. I like the rosette. I like the binding. I like the purfling of the abalone around it as well. And I like the white. I don't know. Julia Micheals is a great singer, songwriter, performer. Check her out on Instagram. I think she has like over 2 million followers or something like that. And this is her signature model. So let me do a little playing and let me know what you think of this one. I like it. Again, this is a tenor, so 17 inches, got the nice, almost 1.5 inches, slightly under 1.7/16 or something like that. But anyway, a very cool looking uke. Again, it has everything else. It's got the strap buttons on it as well. So well done, and congratulations, Julia, for a cool uke. All right, we're not done. Remember, I got the one bonus one coming up next. Hey, ole. All right, the bonus one. The MAG. This is their Guitarlele. This is part of that Mahogany series. Remember that Soprano that we did earlier? This is part of their Mahogany series, so it's actually priced really well. It's in like the mid 150s. But if you're a guitar player or a ukulele player that wants a little bit more strings, a little bit fuller sound, this is a really great instrument. This is a baritone sized body. Okay, so you have a little bit of a bigger body, but you have the 6 strings, which are tuned A, D, and then the other 4 like ukulele, G, C, E, A. Okay, this is all laminate, but it's exactly like the Soprano, but just in a Guitarlele version. All right, let me do some playing. All right, so what do you think of that? Now, as I mentioned, baritone body, longer scale length, 18.5 inches, so that's longer than a tenor. But if you're into Guitarlele, like we do, we have courses for Guitarlele over at ukelikethepros.com. This is a great instrument at a great price for you. Yeah. So anyway, I had to throw it in just as a little bonus for you. All right, so those are my top 5. 6, 7, 8, I don't know, there was a lot of them in here, but those are my top 5 of the 5 best Lanikai ukuleles. Which one did you like the best? I'm not going to grab all 5 of them again. It was too much, but I did grab, a couple of the nice ones, the Quilted Maple and the Julia Micheals one. So anyway, thanks for being here. Store.ukelikethepros.com. And if you want to check us out more, you can check us out on Instagram at ukelikethepros and also on our Patreon page. That's ukelikethepros as well. So ukelikethepros everywhere. So anyway, I appreciate it. Hope you learned something, learned a little bit about Lanikai, and I appreciate the comments, the like buttons, and subscribing to the channel. That's going to do it for me today. I'm out of here. Take care, and we'll see you next time.